Have you ever dreamed about making games, animation, or films? Now, with Unreal Engine, you have the full toolbox to fulfill your dream. Unreal Engine is the next generation engine with unlimited possibilities. If you can imagine it, you can achieve it in Unreal Engine. In this course, I'll be covering all the basics that you need in order to start with Unreal Engine. The course is perfect for beginners with zero knowledge. We'll be covering topics like creating user interface, then we're going to create scenes. I'm going to show you how to use 3D objects, how to apply materials to them. We're going to be covering everything in the lighting system, fog, cameras, animations, and pretty much everything that you need to know in order to start making your dream game or movie. I've separated each lesson in short videos so you can follow along easily and practice in the meantime. So if you are ready to start your journey in Unreal Engine, don't hesitate, enroll in this course now.